One of the main activities of Project I2Connect is conducting the trainings for the trainers and afterwards for the national advisors. In this video, we want to show you how I2Connect trainings and the methods we are using in these trainings have influenced the everyday life of agricultural advisors and other participants.
The tool that made the most impact on me was the Circle of Coherence, because I realized how important for the project and working process is the vital space, and I realized that each of the participants in the process can contribute to this vital space and help others to be a part of the vital space.
Before I learned about the Circle of Coherence, I took it personally if someone in my project was fighting or fleeing or feeling insecure. But now, since I have learned that there are different types of people and that you have to do certain things to approach them and bring back to the vital space where the innovation and the co-creation happens, it's much easier for me to communicate with them.
As a manager in EIP support unit, I should organize a lot of events and activities for potential operational groups and other stakeholders which are involved in agriculture and innovations. So I think that the spiral of initiatives is a very good method, and I use it daily, because each time when I should think about some kind of new project, new activity, I can put it on a paper and see the steps. And also when I feel the need, I can return, for example, to inspiration phase. It's not like I'm coming back, but I'm moving forward by coming back.
My favorite I2Connect tool is the network analysis. It's very useful while planning a project and also then while creating the network for a project, so you are sure every factor and every element is in the right place and that you are not forgetting anything. And if something is going wrong, I can also go back to this tool and see which connection isn't so good or which connection we are leaking.